It's tough work drawing outside, painting outside. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. How are you all doing today? I am pretty excited because this is the continuation of the craft kit testing series here on SoCraftastic. That was a mouthful. It's been a little while since the last one. I've tested pottery kits from the 1970s. I've tested a beading kit from the 1920s. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description box below, as well as in the iCard up in the corner. A little bit about this product. It is the Magic Paintbrush from the 1990s, and I did get this from Etsy. It was $13.50 with shipping, so it was pretty affordable. It came with this plastic film that is really glaring with these lights here. So today we're testing an art product, and I'm going to be making some artwork with this along with reviewing. It is advertised as the all-in-one painting system. It was made by Milton Bradley Creative, which I didn't even know they had that line. 1994 Hasbro International, United Kingdom. Oh, cool. So we have a UK product. I keep getting this little hair in my face and it was just in my mouth. That's great. An ingenious self-watering paintbrush, self-contained and portable painting. I mean, I kind of have a little bit of a cold or allergies going on right now, but I definitely can say the word painting. Self-contained and portable painting set. It looks like they're getting ready to play football or something, but oh no, we're just gonna take our paint compact outside and paint away. In all honesty though, I'm not knocking people who take their paint outside because I think that that's a wonderful idea and it's something that I want to do. I've only painted once on my deck. I'm not talking about the time I helped stain paint my deck, but I actually did a watercolor painting out there. It's really hard for me to paint outside though. I just feel like everything always goes wrong. No. Let's get into the box, see what's inside. Before I do this, give this video a like right now if you want to see more craft kit testing videos in the future and or art stuff. Pretty please. Is this whole thing gonna pull up? There we go. Oh, it's like a Polly Pocket. This hair again. This is the third time. This is in such great condition. Wow. There is this little instruction manual. The contents: Magic Paintbrush with cap. This hair is going to drive me crazy. So contents: Magic Paintbrush with cap, which is this. Oh, the cap fell off. Thank you for separating yourself so I can show the audience. So the cap doesn't have a strong grip, as we can see. I mean, it's decent, but what the heck, it just fell off and now it's... Okay, it's tricking me. Oh, this pushes down. Okay. The case, which is this, containing 8 paints, which are these, a water bottle, so this, a mixing palette, okay, so at the top here, and a cleaning sponge, this guy, little smiley face. Remove the water bottle from the case, flip open the cap, and fill the bottle with water. This should give you enough water to paint a picture. There's this little doohickey inside that is like a suction. Pull the barrel to lock the brush into position. Oh, you just pull it up a tiny bit, I see. It kind of snaps. So to paint, choose the color with a U. It's time to try this. Let's do it. To add more water or dilute the color, squeeze the 2 buttons on the barrel. And when you want to change color, clean the brush by wiping it over the sponge and select a new color. According to the box, I should be able to paint anywhere, so let's go outside. So I set up this little corner in my yard and the temperature did happen to go up about 5 degrees literally in the past 20 minutes. So it's now too loud to talk. It's now a little bit too hot for jeans, so I changed to shorts, but the boots have to stay because it just rained and the grass is a little wet. In case you're wondering. You probably weren't. my gosh, I can't see. Need to invest in a giant umbrella.
Hello, squirrel friend. Hello. Bye.
Update, I am getting hot. It was supposed to be cloudy all day, but it's not, and usually I love the sun so much. I should have invested in a beach umbrella before doing this video, but I did not. You know, I looked at the weather and I'm like, it's been cloudy a lot, so it'll be cloudy. It's not cloudy. I'm just standing in the shade right now. This is all I've done. Can you even see that? Kind of. It's a little bit smaller than I wanted it to be, but I already erased it and it was like a lot smaller than that. It's tough work drawing outside, painting outside.
You see, now we have some cloudage going on, but I'm supposed to be way over there.
Apparently the sun also hindered my ability to think, because I could have just gone to my closet and gotten a hat and that would have solved a lot of problems, but no. Instead, I just put up with the flickering sun until the clouds came.
Now we have some clouds. I didn't think that I'd ever be this excited for clouds, but it feels really good and I can actually see. Ooh, Plein.
In the comment section, let me know what you think of this particular style of video where I'm on camera a little bit more, I'm doing more things, showing more action and behind the scenes. It's a lot of fun for me.
Update, I was checking the radar on my phone to make sure that no rain is coming. Well, the wind decided to blow everything off of the chair. How nice.
The thing that I don't like about the Magic Paintbrush is the lack of control with the water flow. Because the water continues to drip out, you can't get too detailed of areas, and then the areas that you have already painted, if you want to go back over them, they will get smeared and ruined. So you have to drain all the water out of the brush in order to do a detailed area or to build up the color more. That is a little bit of a pain, but it is possible. No! Stop. For a paintbrush that's 25 years old, I feel like it may have been ahead of its time, but it definitely had ways to grow, and I want to show you these paintbrushes, well, this water brush here. I have two of them and they're from Michael's. You can get different types because I don't think they sell this exact one anymore, but the water is up in the clear barrel. And this one you have so much control to stop the water whenever you want. So unless you're pushing on that barrel at the top, none of the water is going to come out. Definitely a much better design. Not my best work, but I am actually really happy with the way that this turned out. I was able to get a brown color to do some shadows on the yellow flower, but I'll tell you that was really hard to make look realistic in the first place. There's just so many petals that are folding. Normally I would want to get rid of all the pencil lines from the sketch, but this time I feel like it actually works because the yellow is so neon. There wouldn't have been any sort of boundaries or borders on this flower, and I don't know, it just wouldn't have looked like a flower at all. I didn't add any outlines for the purple little flowers up there, and I think those turned out nice too, but they have a little bit more contrast between that color and the white. Every single Friday I post a brand new video. It might be artsy, it might be crafty, it might be a kit testing. If you want to see any of that, and oh, I do wood burning too, so if you want to see those videos, please turn bell notifications on because subscriptions don't always work. If you ring that bell, YouTube will most likely let you know every single time I upload.
Leo, what are you doing, bud? Hi, Leo.
But if you don't trust notifications here because they can be kind of buggy, go ahead and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and I do let you guys know every single week right away when I post, so you'll never miss out. Also, I started a viewer spotlight again, so if you want to submit some of your artwork, use hashtag SoCraftastic on any of my social media pages, and you will have a chance to be shown in an upcoming video. Thank you to everyone who has submitted so far. The watercolors in this kit actually have really nice pigmentation. There just aren't a lot of colors, obviously. I will say they are a little bit more chalky in texture than even some affordable watercolor paints by Crayola that you are seeing on the left here. Kind of hard to demonstrate, and I know a lot of you hate ASMR, so sorry. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. I'll put my entire craft kit testing playlist in the description box below, and I'll put some other videos here for you to watch. You can just click on one of those if you're interested and haven't seen it yet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. See you soon, bye!